They hit somebody? Fucking stupid. Holy shit, that was fucking close. I clipped his rear fucking tire. It flipped me.
Why are you going up this way?
Yeah, why are both of you going up this way?
Is there a reason why you're going up this way? It's only a one way. That's legit, it's a one way. You just act like you don't fucking know. You fucking kidding me right now? You alright?
How are you down there watching the whole fucking thing and not tell that you go the other fucking way?
What's that now?
Was it you that fucking just clipped me?
I don't know if I did or not.
Did you
Why
come
are
up
you
this way?
fucking coming up this way?
Yeah, I came up that way, yeah.
Why?
Yeah, why the fuck you coming up
Did
this
you
way? You
sit
see
down
all
there
these
and
people out here
watch it
going
for
one
5
fucking way.
seconds?
I haven't been down there, we just got here.
Okay, so
How many people do you see going up the goddamn hill?
hey, when you see me, why don't you slow the fuck down instead of just
I tried to
hitting it?
miss you is what I tried to do.
Well, you're in the wrong fucking area anyway.
We could have fucking stopped.
You're right. You're absolutely right.
It could have been a lot fucking worse.
I know, are you okay though, I mean?
Yeah, I'm good.
Physically?
Mike's good.
I know.
I'm a little worked up.
I did not.
You scared the fucking shit out of me, I know that much.
I don't understand why the fuck you're going up right here. Hundreds of people down there going one fucking way. I'm done, let's go. Let's go. I'm done. I'm gonna fucking fight. Hey, thanks for stopping, man.
Oh yeah, no problem.
Well, here you go. You get people going up the wrong way. You're supposed to go up the right side, down the left side. Two Can-Ams just went up there the wrong direction, and it looked like there was a quad coming down, and hopefully everything is all right, but they stopped up there. Hopefully nobody's hurt. Shit, it's Mike.
We're saying the second side-by-side split.
Well, because there was a quad coming down.
Yeah. Do you think they learned to don't go down?
Was that you?
Yeah, he fucking clipped it. Shoot at me.
Did you get hit?
Are they just leaving now? Okay, bye!
Right as I came around the corner, he's like blasting up. We had enough time to stop, but he just fucking kept going, and so I shot left, and I was fucking just like barely hit my fucking tire and left it rolling on the side. And his wife was stuck like down below me, and I'm like, fucking
We saw them.
bitch.
They came up right here and just
I don't
started
know how the fuck you sit down here. How did you not sit down here and fucking see what the fuck's going on?
Like that, we just got out of nowhere from back here.
No, I know what.
Going up the goddamn one
I
way.
don't know what fucking tire expect, but he just barely fucking clipped with me, and that's what fucking wrong. Because sketch dog came around the corner like, oh shit.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's why I told him, like, dude, that's going. Like,
Surprised he even came back. Did they apologize?
yeah, they don't know what the fuck.
I think they're staying in our camp.
Yeah, they're like 2 campsites away from us.
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome. We're gonna talk to him.
I saw the...
Hey, by the way, stay to the right.
That guy knew he fucked up though. We were all going off. He's like, you're all right. You're all
Well, as soon as they started going up, everybody down here is like, what the fuck is he doing?
Because he literally didn't stop. He almost hit a quad rider right here, and then they literally just kept flying.
You got a cigarette, Alex?
You need one now. How's your heart rate?
Yeah.
The girl like almost
Mike, I
started
got
going
this
off on
too.
me too, and I was like,
No, it just pissed me off because we were at a point where we both could have stopped, and he just fucking.
yeah, he could have easily stopped.
And he's on the fucking down. I mean, I guess it would have put him in a bad spot if he stopped, right? So shit happens.
Could have been really bad. So you just had your life flash before your eyes, right? How you feeling now?
Oh, good. It was the initial, like, seeing it, like, oh shit.
Yeah.
This is happening.
Well, because you're not expecting it at all.
Yeah.
Well, that was...
Head on a swivel. Head on a swivel.